Hello. This video explains how to use the 2D Takeoff module for each project under Clients. From the main menu, click on Clients. Here, you can see all the active projects you are currently managing. Open the required project and select the 2D Takeoff module. You can access it either directly from the project view or by toggling to the Design and Estimate section and selecting 2D Takeoff. Click on Add Plan to upload the drawing for this client. Upload your 2D drawing file. Give the plan a name, and note that the file must be in PDF format. Once uploaded, click on Start Takeoff. The uploaded plan will now be displayed in the Takeoff interface. Before starting the takeoff, you must set the scale. You can also use AI to generate shapes, but setting the scale is mandatory. Click on Set Scale, then choose Fine Measurement. For example, if you know the width of the toilet is 6 feet 9 inches, draw a scale line on that section. Select the measurement system as imperial and choose the unit as feet or inches. Enter the known measurement value and click OK to apply the scale to the drawing. Now, let's use AI for the 2D takeoff. Click on the AI icon and the system will start processing the drawing. As you can see, the AI automatically detects rooms, areas, walls, and components such as doors and windows. These detected elements are grouped into sections. When you hover over any room, the corresponding area is highlighted on the plan. Now, you can edit the detected areas. For example, if you want to update the dimensions of a floor area and add a height, you can do so and click Save. Based on the updated dimensions, the total area will automatically recalculate. Similarly, for walls, click on the three-dot menu, select Edit Dimensions, and add the wall height. The total wall area will be calculated automatically for all detected walls. The system also detects columns, cabinets, doors, and windows. If you want to add counts, click on Add Count. Select the element, such as a window, and the count will be updated automatically. If you want to calculate an area for the entire floor, click on Create Group. Add a new section name, for example, Plinth. Select the relevant areas and create the group. You can also use the polygon tool to draw a custom area, such as the full plinth area. After drawing, you can add a height to calculate the total area. You can rename rooms or sections if required. Once everything is reviewed, click on Preview and Estimate to check the measured areas. Then click on Create Estimate. All the measured items and sections will now be reflected in the estimate. You can update the rates for each area and proceed further with pricing. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.